This is Soundcore Boom 2, a promising speaker from Anchor. This speaker is a new product coming from Anchor, which promises big sound and big quality, right? So let us find out if that's really the case for this speaker. Guys, welcome back to EmmysRoom, where we review tech videos and gadgets and talk about things and make purchasing easier for you. So if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing, and if you found this video interesting, do like and share to your friends. Today we'll be testing the Boom 2 sound performance, which is the sound quality, the bass performance, the durability, the battery life, and if this speaker is worth your buck, right? So you wouldn't want to be spending money on things that ain't worth your buck. So the Boom 2 is steadier, built with a metallic grill with a plastic body, fully waterproof because of this. So this speaker, I'll say you can take it to the beach, without getting worried of your speaker damaging or whatsoever. And it has a solid bass radiator, which, let me turn the speaker on. You see what I mean? Exactly. So Soundcore comes with these light features, which gives this design very unique. In terms of connectivity, the Boom 2 connects via Bluetooth, and the wonderful thing I love about the Boom 2, it's its party app. It's a wonderful app made by Samsung. This speaker is rated 60 watts, but when you turn the bass mode on, you can get around 80 watts of power, as stated here by Soundcore, which is very unique. So this is the Boom 2. When you connect the Boom 2, you have like a fully customizable EQ, which is, wait, let me count the bands on this. A 9-band EQ, right? And there's a part where they call full band, which is literally wonderful. Trust me, Soundcore has done a very good job in making their app eco-friendly and very. And there's a cool feature about this app whereby you can actually download someone else equalizer online. So let's say you go online and search for Soundcore EQ, right? People can post this. Like, this is a way of creating a good community for sound lovers, right? So if you're someone who loves sound and you know how to customize EQ, you can actually upload your EQ preset and someone will copy it and it will be automatically uploaded into the person's app, which is amazing. This is mind-blowing. I've not seen any speaker that does this or any speaker company integrating this software, but this is good knowing that Soundcore is offering this. So you can customize the lighting, the ambience, which is this lighting. The lighting is just something that shoots out from the side radiator. You can talk about the flash mode, which just flashes the energy, the wave, the color flow, the fireworks, the lightning, which is cool, which you can also control. You can control the mode. You can make it low or brighter, which is very good. You can turn it on from the app. Also, you can also turn it off by pressing this bass button, because there's a direction on how to control that here, which is cool by Soundcore. Thumbs up, big ups for that one. Yes, the Soundcore comes with a microphone, so when you get calls, you can pick it and you can answer through the Soundcore microphone, which is very cool. No big deal like noise cancellation or anything, but yes, you can actually make call through the Soundcore speaker. Importantly, this bass up mode from Soundcore really packs a lot of punch. Like, when you move from 60 to 80 watts, you can feel the thump coming from those like bass, like the low end is very significant. You can actually feel it, right? So that is actually a very cool feature from Soundcore, because this bass up mode really bass up. Like the name goes, it bass up. Now let the speaker speak for itself. feel the sound coming from this. This is wonderful. Trust me, like the 60 to 80 watt boost range, the thump. Trust me, Soundcore really killed this one. This speaker really thumps. So for battery life, Soundcore claims that this has 24 hours of playtime, but this is significant to being at 50% volume, right? But I haven't tested the battery life long run, but I know that this speaker serves. Like before you get to charge this again, trust me, you would have sucked the juice out of the speaker for the day. So based on charging, it charges via a Type-C port, right? While the USB-B port there is to charge your phone. So you can use this as a power bank. I don't really recommend you using it as a power bank because of, how using speakers as power banks can deteriorate the battery's health. But trust me, this build quality from the battery is good, coming from Soundcore. 24 hours of playtime on 50% volume is quite decent from a small speaker like this. So yeah, I'm impressed also that Soundcore could do this, which is quite wonderful. So the Boom 2 retails for $130 in the United States, while in Nigeria, this retails for around 245 to 275,000 naira, which in my own opinion, the Soundcore packs a punch, not overpriced, not underpriced, just balanced. On Amazon, this usually goes on sales, right? So even if you're in Nigeria, you can also get it at a very discounted price. If you want a speaker with deep bass, long battery life, and yes, very good features from the light, the EQ customization, well, this is a win. But if you're looking for something that will give you a studio-like or maybe a deep bass feature with crystal vocals, well, the Timecodes Onyx should do a better job. For me, this is a mixed speaker. Powerful, elegant, yet still delivers in deep bass performance. So, would you pick this over a JBL or a Sony speaker or even an Onyx Studio speaker? So let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed this video and subscribe for more honest tech reviews like this one. And there'll be more comparison videos. I'll be comparing this with the Extreme 3, the Extreme 4, the Onyx Studio 6, the Onyx Studio 9, which in my own opinion should actually be a good video. So click the link in my bio if you want to shop this, in my description or in the comment section. EmmysRoom, we got you covered. Tech on fun.